Hello YouTube, my name is Ali and welcome back to my second video here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be continuing with the picoCTF 2019 challenge. We're going to be doing new Overflow 2 and maybe, Overflow 2 and maybe new Overflow 1. So I've got Overflow 2 downloaded already here, and the challenge is now try overwriting arguments. So we're going to get right in, we're going to start debugging our vulnerable program. So we're going to run, just pipe it a whole load of A's. See, does it crash? No, it doesn't crash, so we're going to run some more A's. Oh, run, where is it? Oh, so run A's. Okay, cool, so we crashed. Invalid program counter address. Hey. So what we're going to do is we are going to get GDB Payda, which is a GDB plugin. We're going to pattern create 200. So this is going to create a cyclic pattern, so wherever we are in this pattern here, we'll be able to find out just by looking at 4 bytes. So we're going to run, we're going to take all of this, and we're just going to pop it in there. So we can see that we cache at A, lowercase w, A. So now what I'm going to do is run that again, but there's our A, W, A, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to go A, B, C, D, E, F. So B, C, D, E is where we crashed. So we're going to take all of this, and we're going to do the same as last time, and we're going to echo it into a file. So echo minus E, echo minus E, we're going to take that. It was our BCDE, and we're going to start just adding our hexadecimal. So we know that the address of flag is this, so we can start putting in little endian E6 85 04 08. So what we can do is pipe that into a file called in.txt, and this way we can just run and pipe in in.txt really easily. So, well, that didn't work. I wonder why. Just add a bit more padding, run it again, and we get a segmentation fault, and this time it was a BBBC. So we know that that's where the crash is happening. So I'm going to copy out all of that again. I don't know why it does this. If somebody knows, please tell me in the comments. I would love to know, because it's kind of interesting. So now we're going to set a breakpoint for flag, and we're going to run again. And we hit our breakpoint in flag. Awesome. So now what we want to do is clear over here. Oh yeah, we need to. I've still got the flag, okay. Nano vuln.c .c, and we've got our main function, we've got our vulnerable function, and we've got the flag. And it does everything the same, checks the flag is there, but this time it's got 2 arguments which we've got to pass to it. So if we have a quick disassembly of flag, we can see down here we've got our deadbeef and code dude checks, and they are at these addresses. So we're going to set a quick breakpoint for here, which is flag plus 97. So breakpoint at flag plus 97, and we're just going to continue. So what is currently at this address, I wonder? we're going to examine that address. Oh, forgot to paste. Don't need a reference pointer. And we're going to have it in hexadecimal, please. One word. So we've just got a random address there. So what we're going to do is clear this up. We're going to add a little bit more padding to our echo. There we go. And now we're going to run, and we're going to continue. And we can see that if we analyze that again, we've got a whole load of B's, and that's where our code deadbeef should be. So we are going to remove those B's and put in our deadbeef. So EF, BE, ED, DE, and then we are going to, I'm going to presume that offset C is the next 4 bytes, so we're just going to add our 0D, D0, and we are just going to run that again, hit continue again, and we get a segmentation fault in AAA, and that's going to tell me that we've just returned all the way back here. So, all that, I don't know. But if we quit Peta and we just do /vuln or cat in.text into vulnerable, nothing happens. Oh well. So let's go back to GDB, run in.text, but we're going to break at flag plus 97. We're going to run, and we're going to examine in one word of hexadecimal EBP plus 8. I can't spell. I hate myself. We're going to run that again. We're going to continue, and it prints the flag. So now we can echo that into base 64 with no new lines. We can take that and we can unbase 64 right here. So first I'm just going to go xclip path so that I can cd path, and then we're going to go copy all that again. It begins with a Q. So we're going to echo U into base 64 minus decode into /vulnerable, and we get the flag, and we can pop that straight in over here, and that's correct. Now we're going to move on to new Overflow 1. Let's try moving to 64 bits. Don't worry, we'll start easy. Overflow the buffer and change the return address to the flag function in this program. So we're going to quit this and go into new Overflow 0. Nope, it's new Overflow 1. We're going to make vuln executable, and we're going to just /vuln run it, and it says give me a string that gets you the flag, and that crashed it. So we're going to GDB, just move this over a bit, our vulnerable program. We're going to have a look at, or we're just going to, yeah, it's got the flag function, so we're going to break a flag, and now we want to run with all those A's. No, I don't want control A. That should do it, and we've got a 6xV in vuln. We're going to backtrace, and we can just see the return stack's been overwritten with a whole load of A's. So now we're going to, again, pattern create 200. We're going to take all of that and we're going to run, paste U. If we have a look at the stack, we can see we've got, that's an A, 3, 4 is a 4, A4AA, oh yeah, A4AA, and then, so, if we go back here and have a look at that, we can see, where's A4AA? There it is. Ah, but it actually goes this way, so now we've got the EAAI, which is, yep. So what we want to do is copy everything before that, and, oh, it's over here. Where is it gone? No. EAAI, there. So we're going to copy all of this, and we're going to echo, oh, cd new of the 1, echo minus e u into in.text, and we're going to run you with in.text. We're also just going to add a load of padding on there just to make it crash a bit more easily, and .v, if we have a look at the backtrace, so that's been overwritten by a few e's, -1, and the d, so that means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we want the address of our flag, which is 67074000. I don't think I even need that. We're just going to run that, and we're going to continue. Flag.text is missing. Nano flag.text, amctf, flag, save you, run you again, continue, and what happened to you? Let's have a look at the source code quickly. nanovom.c. That should just work. So if I quit Peta and then I do cat in.text, pipe that into vom. What are you doing? Run. Oh. Run with in.text. Ah, that's what it was. Stack alignment. So I need to add that, I believe. So move, this has to be 16 byte aligned, and I can see that we're 8 bytes out, so we actually need to I would think that this would work, but I don't think it does. I think we just need to return to another function. So if we have a look at nano vom.c, whoops, it's probably easiest if we just call, actually we can just jump to an address that returns, that would work. Maybe? No. X vom, nope, vom. So we want to jump to this address here. So we're going to do /x e6 07, and if you don't know why, the leave command will basically realign the stack, hopefully. 40. And if we run that, sig bus in vuln, oh, okay, we'll just return to vuln and run it again. So the address of vuln is, if we look back up here, it's cc instead of e6. F. Oh, so we actually just need 6, 7. So we need more zeros. Ah, damn it! I always do that. I hit Control S. Close U, reopen. Don't worry, I'll make it bigger. Coming up to 16 minutes now. Hopefully I can get this to work. You crashed, but you printed the flag. So we can now echo that into... So if you don't understand, basically, I've had to return to vuln again, so because the stack was not aligned within 16 bytes. So see, these are all 8 bytes. So I had to basically move one stack frame down because move APS is a 16 byte aligned command, and trying to call it when the stack is 8 byte aligned will crash the program. So we can base 64 with no new lines. I can pipe that into xclip, and then I can go over here, echo, and I know they're in the wrong directory, but that doesn't matter for now. We can then just go xclip path, cd paste, and echo u. That wasn't too difficult, right? So that was another challenge done. Hopefully that wasn't too long of a video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.